Guys, today let us discuss about DNS, which is Domain Name System. Domain Name System is an application layer protocol. It maps host name to IP address. We know that every host is identified by the IP address, but remembering numbers is very difficult for the people, and also the IP addresses are not static. Therefore, a mapping is required to change the domain name to IP address. So, DNS is used to convert the domain names of the website to their numerical IP address. Next, let us see the DNS in Internet. DNS is a protocol that can be used in different platforms. Domain namespace is divided into different sections in the Internet as generic domain, country domain, and inverse domain. Now let us say what generic domain means. Generic domain define registered hosts according to their generic behavior. The examples of generic domain are .com, .edu, .mil, .org. .com refers to commercial, .edu refers to educational institutions, .mil refers to military groups, .org refers to non-profit organization. Next is the country domain. It uses two character country abbreviations, and the examples of country domain are .in for India, .us for United States. And the last is the inverse domain. It does the work opposite of DNS. It maps an address to the host name. Next, let us see what is namespace. Namespace is a set of possible names. Names assigned to a machine must be carefully selected from a namespace because the names must be unique. There are two types of namespace. They are flat and hierarchical. Hierarchical namespace are used nowadays. So what is flat namespace? It is a sequence of characters without any structure. It must be centrally controlled to avoid the duplication of names. Next, let us see what is hierarchical namespace. The hierarchical namespace consists of several parts. For example, google.com. Here we have two parts. One is Google and other is com. These two parts are separated by dot. In hierarchical namespace, the authority to assign and control the namespaces can be decentralized. So that's all. Thank you.